What if I told you a tiny chip built by Google just did something no computer on Earth could ever dream of? We're not talking about speed or size. We're talking about breaking the limits of physics itself. Imagine solving a problem in just 5 minutes that would take today's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years. Yes, that's a 1 with 25 zeros. This isn't science fiction. This is Google's Willow quantum processor. And the implications? They're not just massive, they're unimaginable. Welcome to the quantum age. Google has unveiled Willow, its newest quantum chip. It's not just faster, it's a different kind of fast. Willow can solve problems traditional computers can't touch. That's not marketing hype. It's been tested and proven. This chip solved a benchmark task in 5 minutes. Supercomputers need 10 septillion years for the same task. To put it simply, Willow is on another level. This changes everything about computing as we know it. Traditional computers use bits, zeros and ones. Quantum computers use qubits, which are more complex. Qubits can be 0, 1, or both at once. This is called superposition, a mind-bending quantum principle. Qubits can also influence each other through entanglement. Together, these properties allow for massive parallel processing. Willow takes advantage of this in a powerful way. That's why it blows away classical computing limits. But power isn't everything. Control is key in quantum. Quantum systems are incredibly fragile by nature. The smallest interaction can collapse their quantum state. This causes errors, lots of them unpredictably. For years, error correction was a major bottleneck. Google's Willow solves this problem at scale. It uses layered encoding to protect quantum data. As more qubits are added, errors drop, not rise. This is called going below the error threshold, and it's what makes Willow truly revolutionary. It's not just experimental, it's functional and scalable. Here's where it gets even more bizarre. Some physicists believe quantum computing proves parallel universes. Google's own research hints at this idea too. When Willow runs computations, it explores many outcomes simultaneously. That's a concept linked to the multiverse theory. It means each calculation may branch into another universe. We're not saying it's proven, but it's compelling, and it makes you question what reality really is. Is this just computing or cosmic exploration? Willow isn't just about science, it's about application. Think of breakthroughs in medicine, energy, and climate models. Quantum systems could design drugs faster than ever before. They could solve equations that help discover clean energy, even simulate atoms to create new materials and tech. This isn't a distant dream. Willow is here now. Quantum AI will shape finance, security, and national defense. Every industry you know is about to be transformed. It's no longer a question of if, but when. Willow is part of a much bigger roadmap. Google outlined 6 milestones for quantum computing success. Right now, they're between stage 2 and 3. The next steps involve commercial-scale quantum applications. That could happen in as little as 5 years. They've built a dedicated facility in Santa Barbara. Every part of Willow was engineered for performance. It's not just fast, it's stable, consistent, and reproducible. This is the foundation of next-gen computing infrastructure. Google isn't the only one in this race. IBM, Microsoft, and China are investing heavily too. Whoever wins quantum computing wins the future itself. Why? Because quantum systems can break encryption today. They could decode any digital security in seconds. That's why governments and militaries are paying close attention. Quantum supremacy is more than a buzzword. It's power. And Willow just brought us one step closer to it. Let's step back and see the big picture. In 2019, Google proved quantum supremacy with Sycamore. Now, Willow is 25 orders of magnitude more powerful. We've gone from theory to reality in just years. The leap from Willow is beyond Moore's law. This is exponential on top of exponential growth. We're not in the digital age anymore. We've leapt ahead, and we have no idea what's coming next. But one thing's clear. Reality is about to shift. So what does all this mean for you? Whether you're a coder, a scientist, or just curious, this chip changes the foundation of our future. From healthcare to space, finance to defense, Willow will play a role in shaping it all. Google has lit the quantum spark. And now, the world is watching it burn brighter. We're living through a once-in-history transition. So buckle up. The future just arrived. And its name is Willow.